In this video, we'll demonstrate how to get perfect straight videos using Leveler on iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Capturing a perfectly straight video can be a challenging task, especially if you're new to the nuances of stabilizing your camera. Particularly those who use iPhone for shooting purposes, ensuring the videos are straight and well composed is important for them. So start by opening your camera app and attempting to shoot a video. Notice how challenging it is to maintain a straight orientation without prior experience. Head to your phone's settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon. Within the settings menu, locate and select the camera option. This is where you'll find specific settings related to your camera's functionality. Scroll down within the camera settings until you find the level option. Toggle it on. This feature provides a small extension that helps you visualize the tilt of your camera, assisting you in maintaining a straight orientation. While still in the camera settings, look for the grid option and toggle it on. The grid overlays a set of lines on your display, aiding in composition. This is particularly useful for aligning horizons or ensuring your subject is well balanced in the frame, ultimately saving you time in post-processing. Return to the camera app and start practicing with the newly activated features. It might take some time to get accustomed to, but as you practice aligning your shots using the level and grid features, you'll significantly enhance your ability to capture perfectly straight videos. With these adjustments and a bit of practice, you'll soon master the art of shooting straight videos, saving you the hassle of post-processing corrections. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.